Hello, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I want to show you how to use Apple Pay in apps. Okay, so I will do that showing an example of AliExpress. So on any application that you want to make a purchase, you have to proceed to checkout page. Let me do that quickly in my AliExpress. So you have to go to order confirmation page, which is checkout page. You have to proceed to payment method section and you want to tap on Apple Pay. You have to review all the details so that it was correct, and now you want to confirm the payment. So you'll see a preview of your payment. You will see the cards that Apple Pay uses for this transaction. You can additionally change the payment method, so you will see different cards if you have multiple. You have to select the desired one and you will see the price that you're going to spend. So now we want to confirm the payment using the side button. You have to double click it and then use your Face ID or your passcode. When the authentication is done, you will see a done and a check mark on the screen, which confirms that the payment was successful. So that's how you can use Apple Pay in apps, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.